So to support children learning nouns at home, you could help them label household items for the year ones and the year twos, even 4, 5s, and 6s. They could do a play the noun spotting game, identify the nouns around them, read stories, discuss the nouns in the stories. How are the things in the stories described? How are the people described? How are the places described? How are objects described? And then practice with writing these descriptions down. How can they improve their writing? How can they improve the description to make their writing come alive? And that will support them in their learning. So the common challenges that you are going to find when you actually come to teach nouns also is the spelling of the plural forms of nouns. So we've got, for example, the irregular spellings, irregular plurals. Goose changes to geese, wolf changes to wolves. So those come with a whole host of spelling rules. Then we've got the homonyms. They're really fun. So like bank. A bank can be somewhere where you put your money, or you can have a river bank. Okay, still the same word, but it's the same word with two different meanings. Bark, you have the bark of a tree, and then there's the dog's bark. Tie, you have a tie that you wear. There's the tie where you have a game and nobody wins, and there is a tie, there's a draw, or the tie where you tie your shoelaces, but that's actually a verb. So homonyms are words that are the words with the same spelling, but they have a different meaning. Okay. And then you also have homophones, which are things like plane and plane, plane that flies in the sky, and a plain piece of paper. Different spelling, but the same sounding word. Okay, so this is where nouns is really important. There's so many different aspects of learning about nouns. And then we have the abstract nouns, which we covered earlier, which are the things which you can't see, but are still nouns, like love, happiness, freedom. We know they're nouns because you can put an a or a the in front of them. The love, the freedom, the happiness. All right. So just to wrap up, so the next steps going forward that you might want to do is to help your child master their nouns. They're really important. Nouns are everywhere, literally everywhere. Explore verbs, which are doing words, and adjectives, which describe the nouns. And then that will help your children develop a structure in their sentence and help with writing complex things and developing their writing skills. So I hope you found that useful. Hi everyone, my name is Sabina and I have been a teacher for 30 years now. And I also tutor children for their SATS, the 11 plus, and their foundation GCSEs in English and maths. If you'd actually like to join my parent teacher Facebook group, support group, then I can answer them for you in there. The details are in the description below. I also have a free parent teacher magazine, which can be delivered straight into your inbox to support you again. And again, the details are in the description.